In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Renderforest Explainer Video. We'll walk through the full process of turning a simple idea into a polished explainer using Renderforest's AI video tool, keeping everything clear and easy to follow. Start by signing in to your Renderforest account. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and open the AI video tool. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a prompt box that asks you to describe your topic and provide instructions. Treat this like a creative brief. State the main idea of your video, who it's for, and what viewers should learn. Include your key points in the order you want them to appear, the tone you prefer, such as friendly, professional, or energetic, and any must-have phrases or a short call to action. The more specific you are here, the more accurate your explainer will be. If you have a time target, mention it in the prompt as well. You can add reference images to guide the visuals. Think logos, product photos, screenshots, or simple diagrams. These act as visual anchors so the AI can match the look and feel you're aiming for. Make sure your images are clear and on brand. When your prompt and references are ready, click Next to continue. Now it's time to customize. Select a style model that matches your message. For tech or product explainers, a clean 2D or modern flat style often works well. For educational content, whiteboard styles can be effective, while 3D or isometric can add extra polish if you want a more dynamic look. Choose your aspect ratio based on where you'll publish. 16:9 for standard widescreen, 1.1 for square feeds, or 9:16 for vertical stories and shorts. Set your duration to fit your content. Shorter for quick overviews, slightly longer if you need room for multiple points. Keep in mind that concise scripts usually hold attention better. If you want narration, enable the voiceover option. Pick an AI voice that matches your brand's personality and audience. You can usually adjust tone and pacing so the delivery feels natural and easy to follow. Clear, steady narration helps viewers process information, especially when paired with on-screen text and visuals. With those choices locked in, click Generate. The system will process your prompt, build scenes, and assemble visuals and voiceover based on your settings. Give it a moment to compile everything. That's it, your explainer is now created by the AI based on your guidance. By fine-tuning your prompt, references, and style choices before you generate, you set yourself up for a strong, professional result right from the start.